Amazing morning, everyone. My name is Mentor Marifa Rojas, a Ruby Elite Executive of the company I Am Worldwide, and I am the mother mentor of the team United the Lion and the Lamb Worldwide. Kaya po ngayon, no, nag-share po tayo on our day 2 of our basic knowledge with regards to the processes and training sa loob ng I Am Worldwide. We're just duplicating kung ano yung binibigay sa atin at binabagsak sa atin ng ating mga sobrang lulufes na mga top mentor. And one of the topic that we're going to discuss is setting goals. Okay po? So I'm going to share my screen right now. So yes, this is a topic that we have chosen, how to effectively set and achieve goals. And this is made by our mentor, Erica Roma Soreda. So, iduduplicate na lang po natin. Why is it important na mag-set ng goals? And at the same time, how is this going to be effective, no? Kaya po dapat pakinggan lang po natin with an open mind and eliminate the alam ko na yan attitude that we discussed yesterday. Okay? So, in order for us to achieve goals, we have to set them. Okay, how are we going to set them? Okay? So sabi nga po, no, we have to define what is goal. A goal is an idea of the future or desired result that a person or a group of people envision, plan, and commit to achieve. People endeavor to reach goals within a time by setting deadlines. So kailangan po pala, no, may isang tao o grupo ng tao na nagkakaroon ng isang plano na magko-commit para ma-achieve nila kung ano yung goals nila. And again, dapat merong deadline. Okay po? Why do we need to set goals? Tandaan po, napakalupit ng information na ito. Only 3% of the population set goals. That's the sad part. No? Lahat tayo nasa tamang opportunity, pero konti lang, 3% of the 100%. Grabe, ang konti lang po na nagse-set goals. That's why we now understand yung successful people pala talagang nagse-set ng goals. Okay? If we wanted to have an achievement and results dito sa I Am Worldwide, we have to matter na kailangan din mag-set ng goals tayo. People without goals are not as successful as they hope to be. Okay, every one of us are hoping to be successful, but we have to really listen and then do the necessary activity na magbo-boost sa ating confidence to push for achievement or results. So, there is a tremendous power in goal setting. Dream big, set goals, and take actions. Okay? Next, we have goal setter versus goal getter. Okay. What are the differences between goal setter versus goal getter? Yung goal setter kasi, they only set goals. Puro salita, puro sulat. Si goal getter, they get the goal. What are the difference? They took action from the goal. And every opportunity, hindi nila pinapalagpas. Okay, so that's the goal getter. So we have to be goal getter, mga mentors. Okay? Skills of a leader. Yes, we are also discussing this because we are setting goals, and as we are setting goals for success, then alam po natin magiging leader din tayo. So what are the skills that we should have outer? Okay, so we have to know how to invite, talk, closing, and then trainer. Yung inner natin, no? Train pala po. Yan. Yung inner natin, yung mindset natin, principles natin and our thoughts. This should be clean or good. No, kasi sabi nga ng mga top mentors natin, in order for us to be successful, you should be buo. Ayan, complete ka na, inside and out. Nag-radiate yung abundance kapag maluwag sa puso mo, maayos ka mag-isip, no? Ginagawa mo yung tama. Okay? So, yung step by step natin. Number 3, parts of reaching goals. So, napaka-importante po to set a goal. Set a goal if you're still, ikaw pa rin mag-isa sa team mo, set a goal by yourself. If meron kang kasama, set a goal with your mentor. Okay, so wag po mag-hesitate na kausapin yung mentor, lalo ng active at ginagawa yung tama yung proseso. You will help each other. Okay, number 2, once you are setting a goal, ngayon mag-monitor ka. Okay, i-monitor mo yung sarili mo, kaya monitor mo yung kasamahan mo. That there is progress. There should be progress. Kaya again, wag po tayo maging balat sibuyas kapag nasasabihan tayo ni mentor, oh, wala pa nangyayari. Okay? So, kailangan meron tayong sariling palo. Okay? As a leader, kailangan talaga na may sarili kang palo. You have the awareness. Number 3 is hit the goal. Okay? Kasi nag-set ka ng goal. So, possible in the journey or the process itself, there is progress. Then, magugulat ka na lang. Hindi ka pala magugulat, matutuwa ka. Dahil again, you set a goal and then the goal has been achieved. Okay? So, sabi nga po, no, ni Earl Nightingale, whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. So, this includes the subconscious mind. Ito yung nasa back of our head na pag not aware ka na nagagawa pala yan ng subconscious mind mo. So, yun yung mga stuck knowledge, stuck information. But if you do it in a repetitive way, then that becomes the habit. Kung ano yung pinapasok mo sa system mo, kung ano pala inuulit-ulit ng pagsasalita mo and kung paano mo intindihin yung ibang bagay. Okay? I-add mo din yung emotion. Okay? Kailangan may emotion so that pag naramdaman mo yung success na yun, na-attract mo na pala siya and it becomes reality. Next. Okay. People spend more time planning birthday parties or outings than they do planning their lives. That's sad. Diba? That's reality. Tama po? There's a lot of people planning birthday parties rather than planning kung ano yung kailangan nilang makuha para sa future nila. Happy sila. Diba? Then they wonder why. So, the reality, magugulat na lang tayo, ilang taon na tayo, hindi kasi natin focus yung pangangailangan natin, yung kabataan natin. Okay, so kailangan gawan na po ng paraan ngayon. Don't worry, there's always hope. Okay, so you start today. Okay? Para po hindi po tayo mag-regret at magtanong sa sarili natin kung bakit hindi pa natin na-achieve yung gusto natin. Okay? Number 1, set goals. Short term, mga mentors is 1 to 3 months. Mentors, do this with your top mentor. Okay? Yung active at yung may result. Okay? Para magkaroon tayo ng awareness, matulungan ka po, mapalo ka po, at lumakas yung loob mo dahil meron kang top mentor na nag-guide sa'yo. Okay? So, short-term goals, 1 to 3 months, anong gusto mo ma-achieve? Mid-term goals, 3 to 6 months. Anong gusto mo ma-achieve? Long-term goals, 6 to 1 year. The ultimate goal, 1 to 5 years. We should also coordinate with our top mentors. Natatanungin ni top mentor sa'yo, ano yung goal mo? Bakit yan ang goal mo? Mag-sharing po tayo. And then, how are you going to go to get to point A to point B? Okay? So, wag po tayo mahiya. Tandaan, mentors, pag wala kang goals, hindi ka nag-set ng goals, o wala po talagang mangyayari sa 1, 2, 3, hanggang sa ilang taon na meron ka. Kailangan po gawan mo na ng paraan ngayon. Okay? Don't worry, meron po tayong format na pwede nating gayahin. Setting goals, okay? Ilagay sa paper ano yung what, why, and how. Okay? Again, communicate with your top mentor. Bigyan mo rin siya ng copy para again aware siya. Oh man, 6 months na anyari. Okay? Next po tayo. Okay. So, pag-uusapan po natin, no, kung paano tayo magkakaroon ng goal. We should always be, no, specific. Ano ba yung gusto mong goal? Okay? So, ano pong kulay yan? Ano pong brand yan? Anong klaseng achievement ang gusto mo? Rank up ba? Pagkaroon ng kotse? Pagkaroon ng anumang asset mo? Okay? Then, measurable. Measurable is, syempre, distansya. O anong, kailan mo siya, kayang-kaya ba siya ng sarili mo, ng lakas mo? Measurable ba siya ng lakas mo? Kayang-kaya ba siya? Okay? Kasi relatable siya sa attainable. Kaya mo ba? Okay? So, measuring po dyan yung strength mo, yung capacity mo. Hindi kasi pwede yung masyadong bongga. Okay? Ganun din sa attainable. Kaya mo ba ma-attain? Okay? Kilalanin mo yung sarili mo kung kaya siya ma-attain. Pero nevertheless, again, if you dream big and you know you believed in it, I believe mangyayari siya. Okay? So, relevant ba siya sa ngayong panahon? Okay? Kailangan ba siya ng team mo? Kailangan ba siya ng family mo? Kailangan mo ba siya? Okay? So, gaano siya ka-importante? Time-bound is the decision-making ng schedule. Sige, mentors, ito po pinakamaganda na pwede natin ibagsak na po. Si mentor mo gusto mag-diamond, sumabay ka na. Okay? Kasi again, ito po ay achievement ng team. And at the same time, nagagawa po yun ng isang team dahil nga lahat nagko-coordinate. Okay? So again, kailangan po ng time-bound or decision-making na may schedule. No, if there is goal but there's no time frame or schedule ng deadline, then malamang sa malamang hindi mo siya mai-hit. Okay? Then afterwards, evaluate. Okay? Always remember, self-love is applicable po, no? Applicable and i-implick mo siya. Okay? So, may reward system po afterwards. Reward yourself sa effort na binibigay mo doon sa goal mo. Dahil deserve mo yun. Okay? How to set goals? Write down your goals, 40% more likely to achieve them if written. Lahat po, di ba po sa Manual 3.0, no? Ink is better than think, so write it down. Make a goal. Make a dream board. Okay? So, ang dream board po, mga mentors, no, parati yan nakikita. So, I have my dream board with me. Sa harap ko po siya parati. So, lagyan po ng date. Lagyan ng date. Okay? Yan, may date. Okay? Tapos, gumawa po tayo ng paraan kung paano siya mangyayari. Okay? So, again po, no, make an effort. Dream board dapat po enticing sa mata. Enticing sa mata. Okay? Attractive. Okay? Yung masaya ka kapag nakikita mo siya. Okay? Tapos, may biblical po na verse, sabi nga po ni President, para po masuffice ng spirituality. Okay? And then, yung mga wordings po na I am. Okay? Then again po, kung ano pong gusto niyo mangyari. Okay? It always depends on your goal. Okay? So, make it your wallpaper. Yes, I also have it on my wallpaper. Ay, nawala yung wallpaper ko, no? Ayan. Sorry po. Ayan. Ano pala? Nag-upgrade ako update ako ng cellphone. Ayan. So, ito po, no? Make it a wallpaper. Gawin natin sa cellphone natin. And gumawa ng dream board. Read your goals every morning and every evening. Para mapalo ka. That's the relevance. Para ma-remind ka. Okay? Post your goals, mens. I-post mo yan. I-declare mo yan sa Facebook mo or any media. Para malaman ng iba, yes. Pero nevertheless, ang pinaka-effective is para alam mo. Once you declare, there is the law of declaration, may mangyayari attraction dyan. Okay? So, yan nga po, si Mentor Erica, no, nag-start lang po, sabi nga po niya, sinabihan lang siya magpa-picture. Ayan, ngayon po meron na po siyang sarili niya. Grabe. Lamborghini. No? Tapos nagkaroon din po siya ng condo. Okay? Successful versus unsuccessful. But nadi-define na kasi yan mga mentors. No? For successful people, wrong decision learning, kapag meron kang wrong decision or pagsubok, no? Know the learning, experience aggressive, persistent. Kailangan aggressive ka. Kailangan alert ka, active ka, and again, energized ka. Okay? So again, consistent, persistent. Ibig sabihin po ng persistent, no, makulit, persist mo lang. Okay? So, for unsuccessful people kasi wrong direction, failure agad. Ayaw nang bumalik. Ayaw na mag-step up. Huwag po tayong matakot. Okay? Kasi kapag natatakot po, isa po yung hindrance sa success. Okay? So, number 2, progress, law of precision. Part of goal setting process. Okay po. Number 2 is principle which ensures that we gain many things in addition to actual goal. Tandaan po natin, no? With goaling process po, kailangan po talaga precise tayo sa ating mga pagdidesisyon at ating mga aksyon, no? Pinagpaplanuhan po yan. The most important thing is not the reaching of the goal, but what we learn and how much we grew along the way. The journey you took. Di ba, pansarap po pala. Hindi po pala reward yung gusto natin ma-achieve yung goal kasi meron po tayong makukuha mga challenges. And those challenges are really making things easier for us to know kung ano yung kailangan natin matutunan within the journey. Okay? And that again, it blooms you as a leader. Okay? Hit the goal. Set goal, make plan, get to work. Stick to it. Reach goal. Kaya po, kapag po nandun na tayo sa middle part, nagkakaroon ng mga problems, nangyayari po is lumilihis tayo hindi na tayo nag-stick ng goal natin. Kailangan i-stick ka dun. Okay, so again, makakuha tayo ng magandang training dito. Consistency lang po. Okay? Then limitations, mentors, grabe no? Mga top mentors natin, kung nag-stop sila, wala tayong inspiration. Walang nakakuha ng mga results na akala natin ineffective, akala natin hindi maganda para sa atin, pero sila nagawa nila, nauna pa sila. Okay, so we should be always grateful sa ating mga top mentors for shedding the light and guiding us. Okay? So next po tayo. Okay? Yes, ito po, no, ang ating mga top mentors, no. Grabe. Kasama si VP, no, kasama mga top notchers natin. Okay? Si Mentor Princess Patsy, 21 million circle na po. Former nurse, Diamond Mentor. Okay, grabe, no? Okay, so millionaire, Mentor Jonathan Mirasol Capili, grabe, 4 million turned into 20 million circle. Businessman, government employee, and a diamond. Okay, grabe. And then we also have ang mag-asawang si Mentor Michelle and Mentor Marlon. McLaren 720S and Lamborghini Huracan. And then they also have a house and lot. Diba? No? 2024 po yan. Okay? Grabe, yung nakikita niyo po picture, yung transformation po, yun po talaga siya okay? So again po, no? Diamond po sa atin. Ang ating po, Mentor Marlon and Mentor Michelle. Then we also have po Diamond Mentor, Mentor Arian and Mentor Mike. 50 million circle, former seaman and full-time housewife. Grabe po. Yung kanilang transformation here. Okay? So yan po yung kailangan natin. Maisip na tayo po yung next. Nakakilabot po, no? Mentor Precious Grace Capili, they all started with nothing. Diba? Bata pa sila. 70 million circle, graphic artist, Black Diamond. Ang dami pong achievements. Car achiever, Precious Grace Capili. Grabe po yung bahay niya. Okay po. Pinapatayo na po. Mentor Shirley Macy po ng 150 million circle. Grabe. Former psychology fresh grad, Black Diamond. Grabe po, no? Grabe, house and lot. May jacuzzi sa bahay. For achiever, surely may sipon. Eliminate problems. Let's let's always look it in a brighter side. Thank you, Lord, for the challenges. Itong problems at challenges sa akin. Oh, napakaganda nito, Lord. Okay, always make it a positive. You should always be positive. Ayan, happens to strengthen us. Kasi lahat naman po ng challenges gives us learnings, and at the same time, it helps us to be strong. There's a purpose. Blessing is a disguise. Okay, mga mentors, 1 minute, 1 man lang naman yung kakausapin mo. Yun naman po yung task natin. To talk to other people. Okay, and then share. Okay? Therefore, I tell you, whatever you ask for a prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. Mark chapter 11, verse 24. First step in getting what you want is to believe and pray. Okay, don't be afraid to ask. Okay? Ask, believe, receive. Okay? If you want to change what's going on around you, change what's going on within you. Tama po? From Billy Cox. Okay? So, Joyce Briones po, grabe no, 4 million circle. Mentor Erica, magkasama lang po sa may bus, 28 million. And Mentor Christine, 11 million circle. Grabe po, no? Dati po nagko-commute, ngayon na po may sarili-sarili mga kotse and mga properties. Again po, dati po talaga nangarap lang din po, no? Project Diamond, Eagles. With man it is impossible, but with God all things are possible. And that is Matthew chapter 19, verse 26. Nangyari po. Ulitin ko po May 2021. Congratulations for reaching the diamond rank. Keep up to the great work. Hard work truly please. Again po, May 2021. Ang hirap po, no? Ganun ka talaga. Kasi konti na lang. Ako. Pero pinush, May 29. Grabe. 9 days lang. Kaya po. Possible po. Yan po makuha natin. Diamond necklace. Free from I Am Worldwide. 2020 Mentor Erica. Okay, there will come, makakabili din ako ng bahay ng parang ganito. Thank you, Lord, for the vision. Again po grabe po. Nagkaroon po siya. Isang taon po. October, hindi lang po taon. Months lang po. June 10, 2021, no? Sabi, magpa-picture ka lang. Okay? Ngayon po yan, no? Nagkaroon po siya. You can go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. C.S. Lewis. Nakaka-inspire po. And that's the end of my slide, mga mentors. I hope nakagain tayo ng knowledge and napalakas natin ang kalooban ng bawat isa with the trainings that we have here in the Lion and the Lamb, United the Lion and the Lamb worldwide. And I'm very blessed. I am happy. I am excited for the future. My name is Mentor Marifer Rojas, and I am a Rubirit executive of I Am Worldwide, and I am the founder of Team United, the Lion and the Lamb Worldwide. God bless everyone. Bye-bye po.